Winter herb maintenance tips. 1. Keep removing those autumn leaves on any low-growing herbs to prevent them rotting under the damp leaves. 2. Lift, divide and bring in any herbs that you'd like to continue growing indoors for a fresh supply in the winter. Some herbs may need additional light though. 3. Herbs such as chives and lemon balm can be divided and either replanted or potted up ready for replanting in the spring. 4. Place any outdoor pots of herbs next to a wall, in a good position to shelter them from the rain and to give them a bit more heat from the wall. 5. Avoid overwatering indoor herbs, as this may encourage mould problems. And there's still time to collect any last remaining seeds on a dry day and store them in envelopes, or bring them in and dry them upside down. Then you can shake the dry seeds into a paper bag. Thanks for watching!